Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Resi Arisandi from Bandung. I am Head Port of Health Officer. This time, I'd like to present about quarantine during the COVID-19 pandemic. The objective to explain the quarantine procedure for international travelers who come to Indonesia during COVID-19 pandemic. In my presentation today, I will cover about legal basis, regulation, quarantine flow. They explain legal basis. International travelers, both Indonesian citizens and foreigners who enter the territory of Indonesia are required to undergo centralized quarantine. The provision applies from March 8, 2022 based on the circular letter of COVID-19 Task Force number 12 of 2022 regulation. The quarantine duration is adjusted to the vaccination status of the travelers. 7 days for those who have just received the first dose of vaccine. 5 days, 5 days for those who have received the second dose of vaccine. 3 days for those who have received the third or booster dose of vaccine. Quarantine flow. Traveler arrives at the airport. Travel is taken to quarantine facility in Wisma Pademangan. Travel undergoes the first PCR swab test. Quarantine officer check the vaccination document of the travelers. 5. Quarantine procedure are implemented according to the current applicable provision. 6. Traveler with complete vaccination, 1 day quarantine. 7. Traveler with incomplete vaccination, 3 days quarantine. 8. Traveler undergoes the second PCR swab test on the last day of quarantine. Finally, I'd like to end with conclusion. Quarantine measures must be performed by international travelers. All regulation and condition must be complete to prevent transmission of COVID-19. I have quotes for today. It doesn't matter how slowly you go so long as you don't stop. From Confucius. You can see my video for all of my point. Thank you. Now I would very interested of hear your question. Would anyone like to ask something? Thank you.